how to connect Android Auto to the car. To connect Android Auto, take a look at the screen display. Enter Menu and go to App Connect. Connect device. Now, on your smartphone, enter Bluetooth settings and select your smartphone. Confirm pairing on the smartphone and on the car display. Now select Connect Android Auto. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are wireless in this car. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.